Hello everyone, today we are diving into the powerful world of matrix. Matrices have wide range of applications in quantum physics, neural networks, vibration analysis and also in data analysis. So let's start learning some basic matrix operations in MATLAB. Here in MATLAB, first we will declare a 3 by 3 matrix A, then we will calculate eigenvalues of this matrix using the function EIG. You can see the answer for eigenvalues here in the command window. Now using this command of EIG, we can calculate eigenvectors of matrix A. So these are the eigenvectors of matrix A and this is the diagonal matrix containing the eigenvalues. Next, using rank function we calculate the rank of the matrix, which is equal to 2. Further, the trace function is used to calculate the trace of a matrix, and here the trace is equal to 18. At last we calculate the condition number of a matrix A using infinity norm. For that we use the count function with this syntax, and the answer for this is infinity. In order to learn more about MATLAB and matrices, check out our exclusive course on MATLAB fundamentals and numerical methods. So thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.